How to use screen pinning on Android. This tutorial shows you how to lock your device to a single app so nothing else can be accessed. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. After that, tap More Security Settings. At this point, tap Allow Apps to be Pinned and toggle it on to enable the feature. From here, once it's on, open the app you want to pin. Following this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to open your recent apps. After that, tap the app icon at the top of the app card and select Pin from the options that appear. From here, the screen will lock to that app straight away, and whoever you hand your phone to won't be able to close out of it or switch to anything else. Finally, to unpin the screen, swipe up and hold if you're using gesture navigation, or long press the home button if you're on button navigation, and your device will ask for your passcode or fingerprint before exiting the pinned app. That's how you use screen pinning on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.